Alphabet Song IPA. Hi, how are you? Have you listened to the song about animals and objects in the letter C song yet? You can listen to this song again to warm up before starting this IPA pronunciation lesson. Please drink some warm water and relax while practicing with Woala English. Practice together right now.
C, C, C,
Cat, cat. C is for cat, cute and small. Cat is a small carnivorous mammal. They have flexible bodies, sharp teeth, retractable claws. Cow, cow. C is for cow, standing tall. Cows are large mammals with black, brown, or white fur and make a moo sound. Chicken, chicken. C is for chicken, cluck cluck cluck. Chicken is a type of bird kept on a farm for its eggs or its meat. Crab, crab. C is for crab, by the rock stuck. Crab is a sea creature with 5 pairs of legs and a round, flat body covered by a shell, or its flesh eaten as food. Car, car. C is for car, that goes so fast. A car is a motorized, four-wheeled vehicle with seating for a small number of people, used for transporting passengers. Cloud, cloud. C is for clouds, floating past. Cloud is a gray or white mass in the sky made up of very small floating drops of water. Castle, castle. C is for castle, big and bright. Castle is a large building with massive walls, typically of the medieval period. Candle, candle. C is for candle, shining light. Candle is a stick-shaped piece of wax with a wick in the middle of it that produces light as it slowly burns. Carrot, carrot. C for carrot, orange and sweet. Carrot is a long, pointed root that is usually orange in color, eaten as a vegetable. Cake, cake. C is for cake, fluffy and creamy. Cake is a dessert made from a mixture of flour, eggs, fat, and sugar. Cuddle, cuddle. C for cuddles, friends all make. Cuddle is an act of putting your arms around someone and holding them in a loving way, or between two people holding each other close to show love or comfort.
Congratulations!
You've just completed the pronunciation practice for animal and object names that begin with the letter C. Now, take a deep breath and drink some warm water. Please rewatch this video daily to practice. We believe you can improve your English quickly by practicing with Woala English. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to watch the latest English songs and short stories, and practice English every day. Thank you.